All right, here's Square. So talk about Chris Hemsworth, your boy, Himmy McRimmy. That is a hammer off of the 100, very clean setup on Square. So if you're playing a dip buying opportunity, beautiful. It's a very, very nice hammer. You could probably set up a stop limit right above there and have your stop loss below this hammer. James says, what about buying a leap on Square? Leaps are very good in stocks that are in an uptrend and stocks that you know exactly how they make money. Square fits both of those criteria. It is a little sideways, James, but if you are buying a long-term option, I do like the fact that you'd be buying a leap. I do like the location. I like the area. I like the timing, and I like the candle. So yeah. Stephen Wong says, would you buy on a pullback or a breakout? I would day trade the breakout. All right, Square. Beautiful hammer at the 100. Nice gap up. Looks wonderful. And yeah, I mean, it looks really, really pretty. So I love Square long term. I mean, with this gap, this hammer, my assumption is it probably fades down and then you get a dip buying opportunity. That makes the most sense to me. With a hammer like this, I'm 96% sure that gap up will fill. So here's the 5-minute chart. And again, 5-minute chart will probably just flash down. If you're looking at buying it today, obviously I think that's a good idea. Probably would want to snag it around 233.50. Most likely could do a stop loss at 231.50, have a $2 stop loss. And yeah, just kind of buy into those long-term averages on a 5-minute chart. Buy the dip if you want to. If I turn the extended hours off, this is kind of what it looks like. And the bullish Momo is already on the 5-minute and a 15-minute, I believe. Yep. So yeah, you're already looking at it bullish, probably look at to buy a dip. That's pretty much my thoughts on Square.